Hello, I am Haruko Blue Star Child. I am a multidimensional artist, designer, and musician. And my passion is to bring the inspiration from the source, the creator, as well as I am a bridge of many dimensions, bringing the informations, light codes, wisdom from many realms, such as angelic, ascended masters, star beings of light, divine mothers, elementals, and so on. I will be offering the special workshop at the Lemurian Life Expo, and I'd like to explain a little bit about my workshop. First, I need to explain my name, Blue Star Child. That is originated from my Japanese name, Haruko. And Blue Star, which exists in the 5th and 6th dimension. And Blue Star is spoken a little bit among the Hopi nation in a Native American tribe, as a blue star kachina appears on the earth and indicates the time of transformation. But during the long oral storytelling history, the detail of the blue star had been lost. So this blue star is a celestial being and exists in 5th dimension up to 6th. And it comes to the places, planet and other star system to assist to bring the universal principle and truth. And the star communicate in sacred geometry. Well, most of the information and communication is done in sacred geometric way in the higher dimensions. So that's what I capture and receive the information, channel the information from the blue star. And I have received New Earth blueprints, which is the foundation of understanding what is ascension about. So I will share the images on the projector to explain, but also to convey the frequencies and wisdom in a deep soul level. And then I will bring the divine feminine codes, because this was needed for the earth, since the divine feminine wisdom had been oppressed. So it needs to restore once again on earth. And so I will share this design to reactivate, to remember and restore our divine feminine blueprint within us. And this is very important because in order to merge with the divine masculine, the divine feminine becomes the foundation in a way to create the unification. And that's why I am at the Lemurian Life Expo, because Lemurians had a main focus in divine feminine principle. And it went as far as it could with that, and anchored in that important essence of divine feminine on earth. And on contrary, Atlantis anchored the divine masculine, and it went as far as it could and anchored the pure divine masculine in the beginning of Atlantis. And so now, on the new earth that we are creating, we are merging both of them, the best part of both of them. But in order to reactivate the divine masculine, the divine feminine comes first, from my understanding. Because with the heart center open, the technology can flourish. And in the last part of workshop, I will be sharing the new series called the Ancient series. And it is perfect that this Lemurian Expo is focusing on the ancient wisdom. And I have been receiving the ancient wisdom which was bestowed upon on earth from many star beings of light, celestials, for it to be activated in the right time. And so it is the time now that many of the ancient source code, the wisdom, has been activated on earth. At the same time, we are awakening into the truth of who we are and remembering the ancient heritage within us, the ancient wisdom within us. So these codes that I am going to share with you is in a way a very important, because it assists you to remember your own soul level technology within the deep inside of your heart. So instead of seeking the information outside, or many different methods such as psychedelics or hypnotherapy, these designs that I am going to share takes you straight into your own core of your beings and awaken your own divine blueprint. Therefore, you are the information source. You are in charge with your own ascension process. And that is very powerful, empowering. And whenever you hear many information from outside source, you will not be confused by anything. And you will not want to depend on other people's methods, because you will find your own sacred divine technology within you to awaken yourself, to activate yourself. All is within your heart, deep within. That's what I like to share in my workshop. And in the end of the workshop, when we have time, we allow us to bring out the codes on the paper. It may be a very simple symbol from you, but that is your creation, your design, your source code. And as you witness that, which comes from within, then you start this remembering process in an empowered way. You are the source of this ascension. You are the source of all the information. So I hope some of you can join in this empowered activation workshop. And it will be fun as well. And there will be a question and answer time also, because there are so many information comes from the higher dimensions, but many of you doesn't know how to anchor on into this human body. So I will be the assistance to ground in all the wisdom from the higher above, which is all within us anyways, but to really remember that many of the information are already inside of you. There's no methods that you need to rely on, or any substance you need to rely on. You have the power within. Well, thank you for listening, and see you at the Lemurian Life Expo.